Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to plan in my standard rings planner that I'm using somewhat as a personal planner slash health planner, fitness planner, well-being planner. This planner is a new size offered by Mystic's Little Gifts, and I will put all the information in the description box below, as well as my coupon code, which is Rachelle20. The raven leather, or even some other leathers, the dye that's used to color them can leach into other items or other planners if you store them next to each other. So I made myself a pouch that I'm a little bit proud of. It's not perfect, but it was my first try. So I do crochet, I just don't do it often. I mean, I know how to do it. So I crocheted myself a little pouch for this, so that on those times that I forget and put it next to something that the dye might leach onto, it won't do it because it's protected by the pouch. So I've made a pouch for this one, and I'm gonna make one for my PR planner next. So this one will be quite a bit larger. But yeah, so I think it turned out really nice. I just want to share that. And I'm using my Coleto pens in this planner, and I'm enjoying that. I've even considered ordering a whole other set of these, the pens and the refills, so that I can have all the colors available. But we'll get into that later. And I have just some stuff tucked in here because I have been using this quite a bit. I need to already start organizing it. I do feel like I want to either reduce the size of the vellum, trim it down or something, because I don't really like the hangover, how it's hanging over. So I'm going to have to trim that down eventually. But anyway, on to the spread. So this is where I'm at with last week's spread. I did not fill in Sunday yet. But I definitely will. But you can see I've been using the different colors of the pens to fill in what's what. So on to this week, I have no idea what I want to do. I have not slit my inserts yet. Do I even want to work on these inserts? I saw a peep at these. No. Let's continue here. We'll continue on with this insert until the end of the month. And like I said, I may switch to, what do you call it? From scratch spreads at the end of the month. So no, starting in November, I'll probably do from scratch spreads. Now I have no idea, once again, what I want to do for this week. I don't have a theme in mind. I did do moon and stars. In my everyday planner, I used a fall / Halloween style kit in my PR / social media planner. So now what do I want to do here? Oh, I know what I want to do. I saw some stickers in, what was the name of the book? Okay, so yeah, I saw some stickers in Simply Lovely that I feel like I want to use. And I have not been using my sticker books the way that I should. So I'm going to stray away from what I have been using and just dive into this book. I'm going to stray away from kits and the shops, and yeah, go for it. So I like the look of this black and white and these florals. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to use this one over here to kind of balance it. And this just goes to show that you don't have to use the planner that these stickers are designed for, if you know what I mean. You can use them any way you want. I think I might use this over here. Even though that line peeks out at the top, it still looks kind of cool. And then one over here. See if I can get it lined up right. Gonna use scallop. And I had actually made some scallops myself. I should probably prep that file and make it available to patrons. If there are any patrons here that would be interested, let me know. Ooh, I can use some polka dot washi with this spread. That's a little too long. That's right, these are for the monthly. The monthly boxes are a little bit wider. Okay, let me get my black and white polka dot washi out. I think the black will work better on this for the most part. If I can get it to work. Okay, so this is from Simply Gilded, and it is perforated washi. So it's perforated every 1.5 inches, which is the width of a full box. So you don't have to cut your washi. You can just pull it apart. If you line it up right, it'll work. I don't tend to line it up right. Let's try that again. There we go. Should we do the white and black? Let's see how it looks. Why do I keep getting smudges in this planner? I wonder, is it the ink coming off of the insert? I don't remember what printer I used to print these. So it very well could be. Okay, then I want to use another bow. Even though it has a bow, let's cover that up and use that. I don't know why I have not been using this book. It's just got everything that I like in here, right down to the moon and the stars. I need something to go here, and then I'm gonna call it good. Oh, of course I gotta add some washi to the header and the footer and add the numbers, but yeah. Boom. Scallops. And I didn't even have to use any of the flowers. Okay, I like that a lot. I really get tired of using black washi, so let's use the white. Even though it's not really white, it's like an off-white color. But we can get past that. I think that's gonna look nice. Let's see. Okay, so this is my just for fun kind of just decorate just because kind of planner. So let's just go for it. Let me put down some dates. I'm going to be using, do I want to use the teeny tiny dates again, or do I want to go on and use some more of these? I think I'll go back to the teeny tinies because I don't think I'd get much room up here for the others, and I really need to use these. So it's the 12th through the 18th. I have really been using these up this week. Okay, so let's get a little piece of my excess washi that I don't use and tape this back in here. Okay, so I think that's it. Turned out pretty cool. I would like to add a doll or something. Let's see if we can find some lilies that'll work. So this is my stickers from the Jewel Box, jewelbox.store, and or Isis Ella Jewels. You can use my code Rachelle 15 to save on your order. But let's see. Ooh, can use her. Let's put this right here. Let's use a Lily Lounging. Down here. And I might use one of these. Up here. Just for fun. I think that's it because most of these lilies are doing things. Oh, let's put this back. That I don't want to do. Maybe I don't want her because she kind of takes away from the sophistication of the spread. So let's use her and put this lily back. She's more fun and whimsical than my spread is. So use her another day. That's it. That's good. Okay. So yeah, let's pop this back in. Dun, 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 dun. Oops. Showing my goodies. There we go. Oh, I like this a lot. So that is it. Did I not snip that? Nope. Okay, so that's it for this week's spread in my personal plan. I'm just gonna call it my personal planner because it's a personal planner. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll link to the Coleto pens in the description box below. So that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.